consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to the time you're watching this video. And assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh to my brothers and sisters in Islam from around the globe. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys resources you need as a graphics designer in appreciating your all-time support and in celebrating my channel hitting 2,000 subscribers. So I'll be sharing the link to these resources in the video description, so you can easily get these resources using the link in the video description. So let us look into these design resources. So as you can see, these are high standard resolution image you can use. These are high standard resolution image you can use as a graphics designer, as you can see. So we still have many other images which are still loading, and we have some premium apps here. Let's wait while it is loading. So as you can see, we have these premium app. We have the Market Up premium app, the Photo Room premium app, the Photopia app, the Piscard premium app, Pixel app YD, and the Remini premium app. These apps are essential app you need as a graphics designer. So let's check this as well. These are backgrounds, beautiful backgrounds you can use on your designs. As you can see, these are different backgrounds and some 3D resources which you can use on your designs. So as you can see, these are beautiful resources you can use. And as well, we have this as well, it's a background as well. These are backgrounds as well we can use on your designs. So you can easily get these resources using the link in the video description. You can get these resources using the link in the video description. Please, if you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do well by clicking on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload videos on free resources like this. So as you can see, these are different background as well. So you can easily download it using the download link in the video description. Please like, comment, and share the video to your graphics design friends. Thanks for watching.